Here are 7 things that I have done, 7 habits that I have that have helped me to become a millionaire. Meditate for an hour a day, read a book a day, do 2 hours of yoga, do an hour of gratitude, sleep for 10 hours, go to the gym for 5 hours, live in complete financial minimalism and spend nothing and own nothing. Nah, don't do any of that stuff, maybe some of that stuff, but most of that stuff, no. And look, you don't need to do that either. And I just want to say everyone's journey to achieving 7 figures, it's different. Some people get lucky, other people work their asses off for decades. Some people just ape into monkey NFTs at the right time and make millions of dollars. But in this video, I want to share some of the things that I have done personally in my life that have helped me not just to create wealth, but also to keep wealth. My name's Lark. I make videos on investing. If you do like that topic, if you like to stay up to date with what is happening in the investing world, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, smash on the thumbs up button if you know for damn sure that you are going to become a millionaire one day. Let's go ahead and get into this. So the first thing that really helped me to build up my financial success was to just fucking do it, man. Honestly, I swear this is probably one of the biggest killers of people's potential to create wealth. Oh, I'll do it next week. I don't have the right camera. I don't have the right microphone. I just need to finish this sandwich. Put the damn sandwich down, man. Start getting into it. Procrastination kills and clarity comes through action. When I started making videos, I just had a passion for cryptocurrencies. I was super excited about everything going on in the crypto space, but I didn't have all the answers. I just had a shitty camera, an even worse microphone, and I just started doing it. For me, yeah, clarity did come through action. My videos got better over time. I got more informative, et cetera, et cetera. So many people I meet, they've got an idea for a business, an idea for a book, an idea for a channel, or whatever it might be, but they never freaking execute on it, man. Sure, maybe you try it and you don't succeed, but you're never gonna know if you don't take action and do it. The second thing that has helped me in my journey is to get the right people around you. I learned that letting people into your inner circle, it can either help you thrive or be like some kind of, psychic vampire sucking away your time and your energy, your clarity, and probably some of your money too. These days, my friend circle is pretty damn tight, and it's made up of people who largely can help lift me up. People who, keep their own standards high about the people that they let into their life. People who I can bounce ideas off of and who get it. It's really important. There's that old saying, right? You become who you hang out with. Well, it is true. And look, I know it may not always be easy with some relationships and friendships, but it's important to be honest with yourself about this topic. Are the people in your life helping you to succeed? Are they lifting you up? Are they really there for you when you need them? It's important. Let's move on to the third thing, and part of my journey to getting to 7 figures and staying there, and it's been a really important one actually, and that's to say no a lot. Your time is your most valuable asset, and it's absolutely critical to learn the power of no. No, 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 no. Do you really need to have that meeting, or is an email going to work? Say no to the damn meeting. 9 out of 10 times, an email is fine, and the meeting is just a waste of damn time. The power of no is about having the confidence to be in control of your time, and the power of confidence to be in control of your money, your reputation, and all that goes along with it. For me, it has been essential for me in just scaling my success on a daily basis to be able to say no a lot more than I say yes. Now, before we start talking about the money part, how I spend, how I invest, how I earn, all that stuff, I just want to snag a quick moment of your time to tell you about Wealth Mastery. This is my cryptocurrency investor report. It gets sent out twice weekly straight to your inbox. No BS altcoin reviews, NFT mints and updates, DeFi tutorials, hot airdrops, news, tips, tricks, and much, much more. Our members absolutely love it, and I know you will too. You can sign up for free using the link down below in the description. Now let's talk money, money, money. The fourth thing that has been an absolute game changer of a habit for me in terms of creating wealth is creating multiple income streams. This has taken many forms for me, including stock dividends. Always nice to get those stock dividends. Crypto staking rewards, selling digital products like my awesome value-packed newsletter, YouTube ad revenue, affiliate income from things like Ledger or BINANCE, companies that I like, companies that I use, and even fixed term deposits at the bank. Now, some of these are very, very passive, like crypto staking or, bank deposits. Others require regular input, regular work, constant work, things like the newsletter. By the way, did you know that your average millionaire has 7 income streams? Think about that, and then think about how many do you have, and where could you find a new one? The 5th habit that helped me to become a millionaire is to consistently invest. There's absolutely no sense in just leaving piles of money laying around, being lazy. Don't let your money be lazy. Keep a cash position. Yes, I always keep a cash position in stable coins and in cash in the bank. But 100% of my net worth in cash? No. Personally, I invest a large percentage of my income into cryptocurrencies, as you very well know. I invest into stocks, I invest into metals, soon looking to get into the property market as well as, of course, reinvesting money back into my business. Now, most of this stuff is really long-term focused. Future me will thank me for investing today. I look at every $1,000 or whatever I invest as money that'll make more money in the future. Just in the same way that today me thanks me for having invested over the last few years and building up the wealth to where it is now. The 6th factor that's helped me is living within my means. Although I do have some nice things, without a doubt, I also don't go nuts with my spending. For example, I only need one car. It's a nice car, right? But I don't need a vanity car. I could go out and buy a Lamborghini if I really wanted to, but there's just no reason to do it for me personally. The temptation for most people as your wealth grows is to spend more, which is why so many people who, for example, win the lottery end up broke a year later, which is a shocking thing. You win $100 million in the lottery and then you're broke a year later. You just blew it all. The total number of your wealth can grow bigger. So yeah, you run out and buy a bunch of toys, but that's the wrong mentality, and it's a dangerous way of thinking as you grow your wealth. My total spending as a percentage has not really increased, although my total dollar amount that I might spend has increased. We can afford a few more luxuries, buy more organic food, for example. So yes, of course, we do spend more than I did a few years ago, but that spending has largely stayed in line with my earnings. It's important not to let lifestyle creep sneak up and steal away your money. And the final point for me, it's not a financial one, but I know it may sound cheesy, but gratitude. Look, I did not come from money. Every single dollar that I have earned. I grew up in a very small town in the USA where the average annual wage is 50% below the national poverty line. I grew up on food stamps. I grew up on secondhand clothes. So believe me when I say I know damn well what a privilege it is to have the kind of wealth that I've been able to create by investing in cryptocurrencies and stuff over the last few years. I realize that most people will never have that kind of money. And I have immense gratitude to the universe for being able to bring these kind of financial blessings into my life. And I think about that all of the time. And what makes it even better is that I have achieved this success by doing something that I love to do. I love crypto. I love making videos. Love talking to you guys. It's just so much fun for me. So no matter where you are on your journey of investing, just remember the mere fact that you can even invest already means that you have something to be grateful for in a world where so many have so little and do not have the opportunity to actually be out investing as we have the opportunity to do in the cryptocurrency markets. Anyway, I hope that you found this video useful, perhaps inspirational. Let me know which of these tips was your favorite, and maybe even share one from your own life if you have achieved some financial success and some financial abundance that might help other people on their journey down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.